In the heart of Brack Island, where ancient stone whispers tales of time, stands a house that bridges the past and present. The house in Nerežišća, crafted by architectural design studio Branka Juras, is a harmonious blend of tradition and modernity, echoing the rhythms of its Dalmatian village surroundings. The residence presents a thoughtful interplay of volumes. The original stone structure, emblematic of local heritage, seamlessly integrates with a contemporary extension. This addition, distinguished by its modern concrete shell, respects the existing architectural language while introducing a fresh dialogue between solidity and openness. Employing a collage technique, the design delineates the old from the new. The existing stone walls retain their rustic charm, while the extension's concrete form introduces a modern aesthetic. This method ensures a clear distinction, allowing each era's craftsmanship to shine. Inside, a reorganization of spaces enhances functionality and flow. The central intersection of the original and new structures houses communal areas, fostering interaction and connectivity. Private rooms branch out, offering solitude and comfort. This layout respects the home's historical essence while catering to modern living needs. The traditional section, with its smaller windows, offers a cozy, intimate atmosphere. In contrast, the new extension's large openings flood the interiors with daylight, creating dynamic patterns and a sense of openness. This interplay of light and shadow breathes life into the spaces throughout the day. A palette of local materials grounds the house in its context. The original stone walls exude timelessness, while the concrete and glass of the extension introduce a contemporary touch. Inside, natural finishes like wood and stone maintain a warm, tactile environment, bridging the gap between tradition and modernity. The interiors embrace minimalism, allowing materials and light to take center stage. Wooden accents and neutral tones foster a serene ambience, reflecting the island's tranquil spirit. The house nestles into its environment, with terraces and courtyards that blur the lines between indoors and outdoors. Native vegetation and stone pathways further anchor the residence to its locale. In Nerežišća, where history and horizon converge, this house stands as a testament to timeless design. It's more than a dwelling. It's a narrative of stone and light, tradition and innovation, echoing the enduring spirit of Brack Island.